For normal forward driving, use the drive position. However, there may be driving situations where you wish to shift manually. To select this mode, move your shift lever to this position. The position indicator and the transmission will automatically choose a range closest to your vehicle's current speed. Shift to a lower or higher gear by pulling back or pushing forward on the shift lever. Pulling or pushing the shift lever repeatedly will allow you to downshift or upshift through the gear ranges in succession. Use 9th through 6th gear for all normal forward driving at highway speeds. Use 5th gear when driving up long slopes or for engine braking when driving down long slopes. 4th through 2nd gears can also be used for hill climbing or engine braking on downhill grades. 1st gear can be used for climbing steep hills slowly, driving slowly, or for maximum engine braking on steep downhill grades. Do not drive at higher speeds for extended periods of time in lower than 4th gear. This reduces fuel economy. To return to normal driving mode, move the shift lever back to the drive position. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.